Let's be honest, no rider wants to spend weekends at the repair shop. What we all want is a motorcycle that just works mile after mile. That's why today we're counting down 7 bikes that mechanics and riders trust for their reliability. Machines that save you stress and let you enjoy the ride. Number 7. The Yamaha V-Star 250. If there's one bike that proves simple is better, it's the V-Star 250. This lightweight cruiser is known for being easy to handle, affordable to maintain, and tough enough to keep running for years without constant trips to the mechanic. Mechanics love it because the design is straightforward with fewer parts that can go wrong, and riders appreciate how stress-free it is to own. Power comes from a 249cc V-twin engine, small but dependable, and perfect for riders who want smooth city cruising or light highway use. It's not a speed machine, but that's exactly why it's so reliable. Fewer demands on the motor mean fewer repair bills and longer life. With a seat height of just 27 inches, it's incredibly accessible for seniors and shorter riders, while the low weight makes parking and slow-speed riding effortless. Fuel economy is another plus. You'll spend more time riding and less money at the pump. Of course, it's not built for cross-country touring or high performance, but if you want a no-nonsense motorcycle that keeps things cheap, reliable, and fun, the V-Star 250 is one of the best picks you can make. This is the kind of bike you buy once and keep for years without worrying about surprise repair bills. Number 6. The Royal Enfield Bullet 500. Few motorcycles in the world have a history as long and trusted as the Bullet. It's been on the roads for decades, and the reason it's still respected today is simple: toughness and simplicity. Mechanics recommend it because the design is straightforward, the engine is easy to service, and parts are widely available, especially for riders who don't want to stress about complicated repairs. The Bullet 500 runs on a 499cc single-cylinder engine, known more for its durability than raw speed. It's built to cruise steadily, handle rougher roads, and keep running even under less-than-perfect conditions. This keep-it-going nature is exactly why riders around the world have relied on it for generations. Comfort-wise, the bike offers a relaxed, upright seating position with a wide seat and classic ergonomics. It's not flashy or modern, but it gives you that old-school confident feel on the road. And because of its simple build, even minor issues can usually be fixed quickly, often by the rider themselves. Sure, it doesn't have the advanced electronics, the smoothness, or the performance of modern machines. But if your goal is a motorcycle that stays reliable, feels iconic, and can be kept on the road without major repair headaches, the Bullet 500 is a timeless choice. It's not just a motorcycle. It's a piece of history that still delivers reliability today. Number 5. The Suzuki SV650. If you ask any mechanic which midsize bike gives the least trouble, the SV650 will always make the list. Since the late 90s, this motorcycle has built a reputation for being almost unbreakable. Riders love it because it's fun and versatile, and mechanics recommend it because the engine is known to run for decades with very little drama. The heart of the SV650 is a 645cc V-twin engine, smooth, torquey, and famously reliable. It doesn't overcomplicate things with unnecessary tech, and that simplicity is exactly why it lasts so long. Many riders report clocking well over 50,000 miles without major issues, as long as the basics like oil and chain maintenance are kept up. Comfort is another strong point. With a seat height of around 30.9 inches, it strikes a balance between accessibility and road presence. The riding position is upright enough for daily use, yet sporty enough to make longer rides enjoyable. Of course, it's not the flashiest or most high-tech bike out there, but that's also the beauty of it. The SV650 is about dependable performance, a motorcycle you can count on day after day, year after year. For riders who want peace of mind and proven reliability, the SV650 is one of the smartest choices you can make. Number 4. The Yamaha MT-07. Ask any rider about reliability in the modern middleweight class, and chances are the MT-07 will be the first name you hear. It's one of Yamaha's best-selling motorcycles worldwide, and mechanics recommend it because of its legendary CP2 engine. Simple, efficient, and built to last. The MT-07 runs on a 689cc, liquid-cooled 4-stroke DOHC parallel twin engine, delivering smooth torque and a responsive, steady power delivery. What makes it so reliable is not just performance, but durability. Riders regularly put tens of thousands of miles on these engines, with nothing more than basic maintenance. Comfort and accessibility are also big reasons why this bike stands out. With a seat height of about 31.7 inches and a lightweight frame, it's easy to manage for everyday use while still being stable enough for highway cruising. Add in Yamaha's reputation for strong build quality, and you get a bike that feels solid and stress-free on every ride. Sure, it doesn't have all the bells and whistles of more expensive motorcycles, but that's exactly what makes it dependable. Fewer electronics mean fewer things that can go wrong, and more peace of mind for riders who just want to ride, not repair. That's why the MT-07 has become one of the most trusted mid-size motorcycles in the world, reliable, versatile, and almost worry-free. Number 3. The Kawasaki Versys 650. If there's one bike that strikes the perfect balance between everyday practicality and long-distance touring, it's the Versys 650. Mechanics often recommend it because the design is simple, durable, and proven over the years. It doesn't ask for much, just regular servicing. And in return, it gives you thousands of worry-free miles. At its heart is a 649cc parallel twin engine, famous for being smooth, predictable, and incredibly tough. Riders appreciate how versatile it is, equally at home on highways in the city or even light touring with luggage. And because the motor is shared across multiple Kawasaki models, parts are easy to find and relatively inexpensive. Comfort is another reason why the Versys is so popular. With a seat height of around 33 inches and an upright riding position, it's built to reduce fatigue on long rides. The suspension is forgiving, and the wide handlebars give you excellent control, even on uneven roads. Of course, it's not a hardcore adventure bike or a luxury tourer, but that's what makes it so reliable. Fewer complexities, fewer things to break. For riders who want a versatile motorcycle that just keeps going, the Versys 650 is one of the smartest and most stress-free picks out there. Number 2. The Honda Rebel 500. When it comes to cruisers that are reliable, approachable, and easy to live with, the Rebel 500 is hard to beat. Mechanics recommend it because of Honda's bulletproof engineering. This bike is built to last with minimal maintenance, making it one of the most stress-free choices in its class. At the core is a 471cc parallel twin engine, smooth and fuel-efficient, delivering enough power for both city cruising and highway speeds without ever feeling overworked. Riders often say it's the perfect balance, strong enough to enjoy but not so aggressive that it becomes a headache to maintain. The Rebel is also designed with comfort in mind. With a low seat height of around 27.2 inches and lightweight handling, it's one of the most accessible mid-size cruisers on the market. Seniors especially appreciate how easy it is to handle in traffic, parking lots, or at slow speeds. Of course, it's not packed with high-tech gadgets or luxury touring features, but that's exactly the point. The Rebel 500 is simple, reliable, and affordable to maintain, which means fewer repair bills and more time enjoying the open road. For riders who want classic cruiser looks with Honda's legendary reliability, the Rebel 500 is one of the safest and smartest bets you can make. Number 1. The Honda Goldwing. If there's any motorcycle that defines worry-free long-distance riding, it's the Goldwing. For decades, this has been Honda's flagship touring bike, trusted by riders and recommended by mechanics for its unmatched reliability and comfort. At the heart of the Goldwing is a 1833cc flat-six engine, smooth, powerful, and built to last for hundreds of thousands of miles with only basic maintenance. Mechanics often say it's one of the toughest engines in motorcycling, and that's exactly why so many riders never hesitate to take it cross-country. Comfort is where the Goldwing really shines. With a low seat height of around 29.3 inches, plush seating, and a riding position designed for all-day travel, it makes long rides feel effortless. Add in advanced suspension, a massive windscreen, and luxury features like infotainment and luggage space, and it feels more like a two-wheeled car than a motorcycle. Yes, it comes at a premium price, usually starting around $25,000 and up, and it's definitely on the heavier side. But for riders who value stress-free reliability and all-day comfort above everything else, the Goldwing is more of an investment than a purchase. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a lifelong touring partner, designed to keep you riding without worrying about repairs. And that wraps up our list of 7 motorcycles built to keep you riding without repair worries. Which one would you trust for the long haul? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more.